Akamkpa Granite Limited. For slab casting, material choice matters, and this is why many professionals prefer Akamkpa chippings. 012 to 025 proper size and shape. Akamkpa chippings are well graded and angular, giving better bonding with cement for slab work. 025 to 035 concrete workability. They produce smoother concrete, reduce honeycombing, and allow better compaction during casting. 035 to 045 strength and finish. This improves load distribution and gives slabs better surface finish and long-term strength. 045 to 055 professional preference. That's why many engineers and builders choose Akamkpa chippings for slabs and suspended floors. For quality chipping supply and delivery, call 07068737004. Akamkpa Granite Limited.